Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Shark Scrapper channel, where we're on a mission to get stuff like that out of the waste stream and into a resale or reuse or recycle, well, okay, mostly recycle stream. Now, it is a great day. 60s, look at that pond, got some mist coming off. Beautiful morning so far. High 60s. It's almost chilly around here. Unbelievable for Florida. All right, let's not stop yapping and get to work in here, Sharky. Yeah. All right, you. Dingo, dingo. What's the best way to put you in here? I think like that. All right. Don't be falling out on me. Got some mailboxes full of stuff from the shark cage. I don't want to make too much noise. Why? I don't know why. It seems like the polite thing to do is to not make too much noise. Although there's a truck with a backup beeper going to town just down the street a little bit, so what's it matter? What is nice is that I don't have to load it up one piece at a time. Like I frequently have to do when I'm sticking it in between stuff. Now, what did you do with all the springs? You should probably put them down inside there. That's all right. We're not going to worry about it. Okay. A good start to the street scrapping morning. Are you helium steel, or you got... Yep, you got no weight to you at all. That's fine. You know what we're going to do? We're going to position this here. There we go. All right. And now we can throw little bits inside of that thing. Somebody's doggy is not happy with me. He wants to come eat my face off. That wants to be a pinch-o-matic, doesn't it? He wants to get me. And there's that. That's plastic. So, all right, puppy duppy, I'm out of here. You don't have to bark anymore. You can relax. All right, file cabinet. We're gonna take you. Let's make sure you're empty. You got some weight to you. I think we're gonna go like this because you're gonna be sitting down. Because you're gonna be pretty top heavy. Ready for the grunt count? Oh, that was nothing. That was only a 2 counter. Now, I suppose if we have to, we could. If we have to, we can stand it up. If we get an appliance like a washer or dryer, that would also be tall enough that if I stand this up, it would have the washer or dryer to help hold it and not tip out. Tall, heavy things are always a concern. We got to be pretty quick on this street because this one can be kind of busy. So let's get you in, and then we'll worry about what we're gonna do with you after we get off this busy street. Need to get to the hardware store and get some more of that orange or yellow plastic tape. That's really the stuff I like having. All right, now I think I want to put this back a little bit further. There's one. You want to fit down in there? Nope, you don't want to fit down in there. Well, rats. Wonder if we can. There we go. I just had to convince it. That's all. Just had to do a little convincing. All right, now we can shove you back a little bit further. All right. And we'll get Mr. Snap-O-Matic here. Paul, I love that term, Snap-O-Matic. Or is it Pinch-O-Matic? Well, either way, it wants to bite me. There we go. Now, for those of you that might be new, there's a motor inside of this that you can get out of there, and sometimes there's a low-grade board in there. But because I am so close to the scrapyard, I usually don't do that on this run. Ubiquitous wire shelving. And what are you? Let's see. You are where are you? I see a screen. Oh, isn't that interesting? It's a small DVD TV player. It's sort of a portable thing that you could put in your trailer or something like that. All right, so ubiquitous wire shelving. For anyone who's new to the channel, we play a little game where some of the folks like to guess the length of the ubiquitous wire shelving. Total length, not each piece, but the total length. So that's 1, 2, 3 pieces. 3 pieces, and they all appear to be the same size, the same length. Yeah. All right, now I think what we're gonna do is tuck you down in here. Because look at that, that space is perfect. Perfect for that. Relocate you. Got to keep taking the long way around, don't I? What kind of piping do you have on you? Ooh, copper. Okay. Let's get you spun around. You guys might be sufficient. You guys don't fall off my head. Come on. Camera keeps slipping off my head, so I'm busy trying to do 2 things at once here. There we go. Get you. Put you back in here. All right. Now that is nice because that's copper piping, dirty brass. That's a nice find. That, by the way, is for doing bicycle exercises inside. So you set this up, you put your rear wheel on there, and you pedal, and it turns your outside bike into an inside stationary bike. Hard to sell with car parts anymore. What's going to be plastic? What's going to be metal? What do you think? What do you think? Plastic, metal. Plastic, metal. We'll let the bulk waste guys take the plastic. We're going to take the metal. And we're going to check it and see if it is aluminum or ferrous. Let's see. Where are you, magnet? There you are. It's aluminum. All right. So fortunately, the secret location is not too far from here. Could that possibly be a battery? Could that be a battery? Let us see. No, it is not a battery. I thought those were lugs on a battery. Oh, interesting. It's a cooler. You know what? We're going to take that just for the fun of taking that apart. That is a little mini refrigerator kind of thing for keeping your drinks cold. That could be fun. Take apart, see what's inside of it. Could also be really boring. I don't know. Never done one. You know, we're having a good day. We've got a good mix of things going on in Scrapland today. That's pretty cheap fan blades. I'm not going to leave you here though, because they won't pick you up. They'll forget. And this thing is so light, I am almost guaranteed that there is aluminum windings in there. But we'll find out. I was actually given some thought to just cutting that wire and dropping that off at the scrapyard, but we'll take it back to the shark cage and check it. Check the motor. Now then, a fan, another fan. This is a standing up kind of fan, not a ceiling fan, but we still like them. Now then, we just treat them a little bit differently. That part of the cage is metal. You come off. 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 There we go. The bulk guys will get the rest of that. So, metal frame. What are you? I bet you used to be a chair. That's what I'm thinking. One of you might be aluminum. Nope. Nope. Or neither of you might be aluminum. You know, it's funny, in my live stream Sunday, I talked about vehicle maintenance, and my truck just told me that it's time to get maintenance done. So, let's see. I don't think it's a oil change yet. Let's see, wait a minute. 177,907. Yep, it's an oil change. Huh. Alrighty. Let's see now. Anything here? We're gonna have to take a look. Frying pan. Got little metal bits there. That's not anything that can be recycled down there. You guys can. Just put you in like that. And you can be recycled after I punch a hole in you. I'm going to set you guys here for now, but... Well, thank you.
I haven't had a chance to get it in the trash, so I figured I might as well get it out here.
No, I appreciate it. Sorry to be in your way when you were pulling in there.
motor for you.
Oh, cool beans.
It doesn't work, but it's a motor.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you. If I sit here long enough, I'd be all full, huh?
Oh, I'm telling you, there's a lot of crap in my garage that I probably need to get rid of.
Well, let me give you one of my cards.
Okay.
Rack 'em and stack 'em. Yeah, don't think we're... oh, I don't know. I don't know. Good enough. But I don't know if this is going to be too much fluff and stuff on here. Yeah, they got some pretty good weight to them. Well, what's the worst that happens? They yell at me. And they say, Sharky, don't do that anymore. I was hoping I could do some Donald Duck talk. Hey, can you hear me now? Oh, that is just way too much fun. So there's a nice andiron set. Now I know some of you are thinking andirons. Yep, fireplaces in Florida. Well, we do, because it gets chilly here in the winter up here in northeast Florida, so some people actually have fireplaces. Just to be sure here. Yeah. Yep, I wanted to make sure it was ferrous. I was pretty sure it was. Put you down there. Well, can't really help the fact that there's rocks in there. But those are fake rocks. Those are not heavy at all. Some sort of plaster or something like that. Come on, you. Hey. Bed frame, or an old dead bed frame. Well, I'm not going to take those because that plastic hanging on there. But I did see these guys, and that foam comes off quite easily. And we could grab a couple of springs while we're here. I'm not going to get terribly excited about all that. It's just, I was there, so why not? There we go. All right, somebody was very nice to take the fan blades off of the fan already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the fan blades with me so that they don't accidentally get left behind. You know what? I want to get that out of there real quick. This, because this is going off at the scrapyard. So let's get that out of there. Now, we can put you back in here. Oops. Sorry, I beat you all. Just beat you all. Oh, those are nice and heavy. We like heavy things. Well, we like them to be heavy up to a certain point. Hey everybody, we had some fun today. We've got a good load here, so we're going to head on over to the place of scrapping and get it all unloaded, and then it's down to the shark cage to deal with the stuff that needs to be dealt with down there. Is that enough D's for y'all? Don't forget, if you're enjoying these videos, hit the thumbs up, and there's links here and over here taking you to more shark scrapping video. Oh, the round one in the middle, that's to help you to subscribe so you don't miss a single episode.